Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a simple formula to calculate what a day of the week St. Patrick's Day will fall on in any year. Now, St. Patrick's Day is always on the 17th of March, 17th of the 3rd. And obviously, depends on what year it is, will mean what day of the week it'll fall on, whether it be a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, anything through to Friday or Saturday, any of those 7 days. So I'm going to show you a simple formula that's just based on the date, including the year, of how to calculate what day of the week St. Patrick's Day will fall on. So based on those that date there, those numbers in the date, we're going to pick up 5 sections from that date. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and 5 sections, and use those 5 sections to calculate the day of the week that St. Patrick's Day will fall on, in this case in 2019. And then the first 3 steps are really straightforward. So the first one, you just pick up the 17, and I'll put that like that. And the second step is to pick up the 3, and the third step is the year, the 19. So put that there. And we're going to come up with 5 numbers here, and we're going to add them up as part of our calculation to work out the day of the week. And the fourth step is to pick up the 20 and the 19, and we're going to do something a little bit, some extra calculations with those 2 numbers to work out the final number to put over here in the calculation section. Okay, so both the 20 and the 19 are going to be divided by 4, and so 20 divided by 4 equals a 5, or 5.0, and then 19 divided by 4, I'll do that in the calculator, and 19 divided by 4, and I'll try that again, I'll come up with a negative there. 19 divided by 4 equals 4.75. Okay. Now with the 5.0, we're only interested in the number after the point, which in this case is 0. And with the 4.75, we're only interested in the whole number there, just the 4. And so what we'll do with the 4 is the easiest one. Here's just to slot that 4. Forget about the 0.75 and put the 4 over here in our sum column. And now with the 0.0, we need to multiply that by -8. And anything that you multiply by 0, whether it be 0.0, whatever it is, if you multiply that by 8 minus, the answer is always going to be 0. So there we go. So we've got 5 numbers now, and we just need to add up those 5 numbers, and we're well on the way to working out what day of the week the 17th of March 2019 will be. So 17 plus 3 plus 19 plus 0 plus 4 equals 43. So write 43 there. And in the sixth and final step, we need to divide the 43 by 7 and find out what the remainder is after dividing it by 7. So I'll do that this way, 43 divided by 7, put that into the calculator. And the answer there is 6.4 and a stack of numbers. And I'll write down the 6.14 and a stack of numbers. And then I'm only interested in the 6. Yep. Put that over there, and I'll multiply 6 by 7, which gives me 42. Yep. And so then I'll find the remainder then of those 2 numbers, 43 minus 42, and that's 1. And then once we've got that final number, Okay, so we just need to look at this simple table, and our final number there is 1. Look up in this table, and the first day of the week, 1, is a Sunday. And you can see there, if the answer was 2, it'd be a Monday, 4 would be a Wednesday, 6 Thursday, and if it was 0, it would be a Saturday. So there we go. The first day of the week is a Sunday. So therefore, the 17th of March 2019 is going to fall on a Sunday. Now I'm going to show you this formula again for another day, just to show you how it works a second time. In this case, this time it's going to be the 17th of March, and I'm going to jump forward 150 years to 2169. So once again, it's the 4 sections we're interested in, or 5 sections actually, but obviously we use the 69 twice. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'll write 6 down there as well while I'm about it. And so first of all we pick up the 17, that's straightforward, pick up the 3, and then we pick up the year, which in this case is 69. Then we write down the 21 and the 69 down below and divide both of those numbers by 4. And I'll do this on my calculator, just so you can see. 21 divided by 4 equals 5.25, and 69 divided by 4 is 17.25. And both these, both the same again for both those 2 numbers. We're interested just in the 0.25, and we're interested just in the whole number from 5, from the 17. And the easy one first, we'll put the 17 straight across there into the calculation column. And 0.25, we just need to multiply that by -8. So, the trusty calculator, 0.25 times, I think I've got another number in there first, 0.25 times 8, and change the sign to minus, and equals is -2. Yep, so add up those 5 numbers, and into the calculator, 17 plus 3 plus 69 minus 2 plus 17, and the answer there is 104. And then the 6th step is to divide that 104 by 7 and find the remainder. So 104 again, divided by 7. And the answer there is 14.85. So write that down, plus a stack of other numbers, but we're only interested in the 14. So put that over there, and we need 14 times 7. So 14 times 7 is 98. And find the difference, 104 minus 98. And the answer there is 6. And we look up in our trusty table, and if it's the 6th day, then that's going to be a Friday. So there we go, 6th equals Friday. Okay, so there we go. So the 17th of March 2169 will be a Friday. So there we go. That's a simple formula to calculate the day of the week that St. Patrick's Day will fall on in any year. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you've found it interesting. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.